So I have 5,000 square feet here in the front and side of the house, and I decided to dethatch everything by hand. That's right. So I'm actually almost done. I should be able to finish this by today. I'm not doing, I'm just doing one strip this way on this section here. Whereas in the front, I did horizontal and then I did a vertical to get, you know, double the amount of coverage. So of course, if you factor in, if you do a little bit each day, I think I did like at least 30 minutes to an hour each day, take breaks from work, come outside, do 20 minutes, do a little section at a time. It's the best way to do it. Because if you look at a huge yard and you think 5,000 square feet, there's no way I can do that. Well, you can. It's just pace yourself and follow these tips. So it's been some decent temperatures, 60s, so very comfortable to work outside. And what really helped me the last couple nights to make this super easy, I was able to get a lot of this done. Wait for a light rain. Of course, you don't want the ground to be soaking wet because then you're going to be ripping up grass roots and everything, and it's just not pleasant to deal with. But wait for a light rain, and using this rake makes it 10 times easier because there's less resistance, of course, so when you're raking. So keep that in mind. I think I try to aim for, you know, at least 500 square feet a day. You take that times, I don't know, 10 days, and that's about your 5,000 square feet. So, but keep in mind, like this whole section here, I had to do cross cut. So this way, horizontal, or vertical and horizontal, two separate sections. So it's going to be double the amount of coverage. So this section here, I'm only doing one way, going across this way. This wasn't nearly as bad actually as the front here. So, but I had some light rain and it made it a whole lot easier. I can get a ton of this stuff done in a matter of a couple days. So just keep that in mind when you're doing it. Look for those cooler temperatures, cut the grass low. I think it's at 2.5, no, it's about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. I've slowly cut back the mowing height over the last month or so. So that's kind of where I'm at with it. And of course you can do it if you set your mind to it and you focus on just small sections at a time. You can do it by hand. Would I do it again next time? I don't know, maybe. Or just get the machine, I don't know. But either way, it's a project and you got to be committed to it. So far results are looking good. I wanted to get this down so I can get my next round of fertilizer down, my weed and feed, and then I'll be putting the ironite down fairly soon here. So that's that, and so far so good. So got some more sections of debris I got to clean up, but all in all, it's looking pretty good. So hope you found this video helpful and useful. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you next time.